Hi, I am Amy Korenik, a Sculpey brand ambassador. Let's take a look at the oven-safe silicone 3D jewelry mold. The Sculpey 3D jewelry mold has 6 dimensional unique shapes for maximum creativity in your projects. The mold was designed to work with Liquid Sculpey and with resin. It comes with 2 metal rods so that you can suspend eye hooks or jump rings into the liquid during baking. That way no drilling is required. Let me show you how to fill the mold. I've chosen a gold Liquid Sculpey and peacock pearl. These have already been stirred. First, I have my gold all the way open, and I'll just drip some gold about 1/3 of the way down into the mold. Next, I'm going to tap this gently to make sure that that gold Liquid Sculpey settles. And this particular design has a beautiful little tip way down here. So I want to make sure that that tip is filled with liquid by inserting the needle tool and just poking it into the tip area. Next, I'll layer in some peacock pearl, about another 1/3 of the way. Then I'll backfill again with the gold. This time I want to come almost completely to level, but not quite, because I want to add a little flourish to my different colors. I'm going to take my needle tool again, and I'm going to go up and down through the peacock pearl and the gold to create a pattern along the sides. Now it's time to backfill completely. So we want to bring this up to level with the gold. Then tap one more time. Now it's time to insert some findings. I have here an eye hook that I have already bent the end. Bending the end keeps that from wanting to pull out of the baked clay later. So I can suspend this on one of the metal rods. Now I'll dip the eye hook down into the liquid. And then I line up the metal rod with the little brackets that are molded into the mold. This keeps the metal rod suspended perfectly over the center of each shape. Then I can just double check that my eye hook is right in the middle and it's ready to bake. When the mold is completely cured and completely cooled, it's ready to take the pieces out. First, start by wiggling the metal rods free and just sliding those out. This is a quick tip for releasing pieces from the 3D jewelry mold. Take some of our thinner and clay softener and squirt just a drop right down the edge between the mold and the molded piece. Then pull that cavity open and use your needle tool to spread the thinner and softener all the way around the edges of the molded piece. Now before I assemble my jewelry, I would wipe the clay thinner off, and then it's ready to go. The Sculpey 3D jewelry mold is an excellent tool for making beautiful jewelry pieces quickly and easily.